It's the language of heaven.
Which one? Is it Igbo language?
No, Yoruba. It is Yoruba that is a heavenly language.
Are you sure?
Uh,
Okay now. Because I thought this is the other one.
no, the other one is for Oko people.
Wow, that's serious. So how was our week?
The week was very, very good.
I believe we are practicing what we have been learning so that it will not just come and go away.
Some of us are inquisitive to make a good use of this experience. So
That's how it's supposed to be actually.
Especially. Especially.
Yeah. But before
not
Mr.
only you,
Soji set up,
Mr.
before
Soja,
Mr.
is actually set up. So live now. You can go live now. Our live is
Okay, we
recording
are
already.
live.
Yes, we are
yes.
live.
So it's okay, no problem. Good evening, everyone. Let me start by appreciating us for our sacrifices and then for availing our time, ourselves rather, to learn under this organization. So I've been receiving so many appreciation messages and texts. Really so touched, and I want to say a big thank you to us all. My happiness is that we all are getting what we are teaching you guys. And then just like I said, it shouldn't stop after this class. So for us to, if as a person you want to be perfect, so one thing is important, that you keep on practicing and keep on learning so many things. Some of these things that we are teaching you guys, some of them we didn't learn them actually from a class like this. We go and learn it. Some of them we learn it online, and some of them in the process of doing one work or the other.
On
And
the
then
job.
we come across it, yes, and then we learn it. So I will encourage us that even after now, because why am I saying this? Because on Excel, I think my class with you guys is going to be over on Excel. Then I think then you'll be left with Zainab and Yusuf on Power BI and Kobo Collect. So, but as like a take home price, I told Mr. Soji I'm going to teach us about creating dashboard in Excel. Now, let me just switch something on my screen. I was able to download something so that we'll use it as an example. Sorry. I think my screen can we see my screen? Can we see a dashboard?
Yes, yes, your screen is visible. But
Yes,
Excel
can we?
is an Excel table. It's visible.
Okay, it's on Excel. Okay, let me
Yes.
let me cancel that and show us something. Okay, my screen, has it changed?
Yes,
No,
it has.
still showing the same thing.
No,
Okay.
it has.
No, it has changed.
It has
Yes,
changed.
here we
Mr.
have
Hassan, what can you see?
discount bundle. Discount bundle.
Yes, it has.
We have 22 premium template.
Okay.
Isn't it?
Yes.
And at the left hand top, we have a live.
Okay. Yes. So this is a dashboard. This is what is called a dashboard. So most of the times you see this in Power BI, but this dashboard can also be created in Excel, and then you can do some navigation. So as a take-home package, I will just show us how to create this dashboard in Excel. But let's go back to our main business for the day. Now, last week, some of us were tired, and then we decided to stop at some point in time. We started pivot table. If I'm not mistaken, we started pivot table, some analysis from pivot table. We are not able to finish it because some of us said that they needed to rest, they were tired. So I felt like I should take it over from this place. Now, I don't know if it is the good time for me to do this, but somebody reached out to me again, I think from this class. The fuzzy matching I explained under data cleaning is like some of us are yet to understand it. So I was able to bring out something very simple. Just permit me to just use this moment to just do it. It's going to be an advantage to us all that it's not, they didn't get it. So let me show us something very briefly on about fuzzy table, fuzzy matching rather, is also part of the data cleaning that we explained. So let me close this. So this is a table. We want to do fuzzy matching. So just like I explained the other time when I was treating fuzzy table, I said that fuzzy matching rather. Fuzzy matching is a type of is one of the process whereby we remove duplicate, or one of the process whereby we look out in the process of data cleaning. Now, the first one we treated was exact matching, how we try to find duplicates and then eliminate them. And I say the second one is fuzzy matching. And then what it usually does, it helps us to look out for hypos. When I mean hypos, I mean entries like John Smith and then Joe Smith. It may be the same person. It may be the same person, but because there is different spelling, so it's going to add to what? To your data. If my name is Albert, if in the process of writing Albert, there is an entry that has been done by the name Albert, Atiku, and then later on there is another name that has been done with still the same name, but instead of writing Albert Atiku, then maybe in the process of typing, somebody forgot and he wrote Albert Atik. So you see the names are different. That one is Atiku, this one is Atik. But it's the same word, it's the same person. So fuzzy matching usually help us to what? To sort out for names like that. And some names where they have hyphens and all these things. So now what we are seeing now, let me take it back to from range. So what we are seeing now is actually a table. Now, column A are list of tools actually. Now, when I mean tools, these are MIE tools that are being used for HIV project. So these are a list of tools. Now, that's column A. Column C is also the list of the M&E tools, but with some variations. Now, if you check row 2, you see the name is what? Somebody should tell me what he or she can see in column 2. Column 2, so that I will know that we are
TB
together.
symptoms, checklist, adult
Checklist.
form.
Good, good. Then you go to C. What do you see?
Symptom checklist, adult form.
Then TB, right?
Yes.
So if you check this thing, they are the same thing. Because this one started with TB symptoms, checklist, adult form. Even though there are some mistakes, the adult here, yeah, supposed to be T. Then if you check column C, column B is talking about, it started with TB. Then C started with what? Symptom.
Symptom.
Yes, and the TB is what? Is at the end. So let's assume you are doing a calculation or you are trying to know this. Automatically, if it is the name of a person and then you want to use it for data analysis, These two things are different. But because you understand that through fuzzy matching, you can find things that are similar, not exact. What fuzzy matching does for you is that it helps you to identify from the main data things that are similar but not exact. If you say you are looking for the exact name, then you will not find it. But when you say you are looking for similar, it's going to bring it out for you. So that you know that, okay, once you check it, you discover that this thing means the same thing. It's just that it's an error. So now the first thing to do is column A, we created a table. So from Control T, when you go to Control T, it will create the table for you. So, but because our column doesn't have a header, so you just say column 1. So if we like, we can change it now. We can say tool 1. Sorry, tool 1. Then we have named it. Then we come here and we created the same table. This is tool 2, tool 2. So enter. Actually, this column is not supposed to be here. Uh-oh. So it's only this column. So we want to match these two tables. So we want to see how to identify this thing, the match, similar names that is found in A. Names that are in C, column C, that can be found in column A. So if we can remember, some people are in the waiting room. Sorry, let me admit them. Some of us should try and be checking so that those that are in the waiting room, they can be admitted.
Yeah, actually, they are joining. I guess their network. They have been addicted
Okay.
for the network, I guess.
Okay. So it's like I did something. So we're trying to see tools that are in C and can be found in A. So we come to what? To our data, and we said from table, but some system has from table / range. So once you click it, it will take you to this, which is the Power Query. So from Power Query, you see our table 1 is already there. So what you just need to do is to come and load it. The first icon, close and load. So just click this small arrow, click on it, it will appear. The first one is what? Close and load. So you click on the first one and then it will load it for you. So this data has been loaded. That's the first one. Then you go back. We have loaded this one already. So we are going back to, I don't know, this name hasn't changed. Our column 2 hasn't changed. So 2. Yes, we have succeeded. So we loaded tool 1, tool 2 rather. So we want to go back to tool 1 and load it. So you click on it and then move to what? To data. Then from range to table, click on it. So it's here. So you also need to go and load it. But in this case, you are not clicking close and load. Once you click close and load, it's going to open this on a different new sheet. Are we getting it? It's going to open it on a different new sheet. So, but if you want it to open this on the same sheet where we loaded that other table, you come to the second one, you see, close and load to, you click on it, then this thing appears. Are we getting it? So you see, we have here new worksheet, but just click on what? Click on existing worksheet. Once you click on it, then this thing will now be highlighted, this space. So you click on this arrow like red, click on it, then it will take you to this place. Then you locate where your first table is sheet 3. Click on it. So you want it to be by the side. So once you click on this D and then you click on OK, the table is going to what? To appear, load. So you see it has appeared. So you have succeeded in importing the two what? The two tables into what? Into Power Query. Please, I don't know, is this thing clear? Did we get all the explanation I did on exporting tables to Power Query for fuzzy matching? Is it clear? Hello? Hello, can I be heard? Is it clear?
Yes, not really clear, sir. I don't know if you can still throw more light, sir.
Okay, I want to ask specific. Where is the confusion from? So that I will know where to take.
Where to move the document to the other page.
Okay. Let me take it again. Okay, now back to our main document. This is the data that we are dealing with. So we say fuzzy matching help us to what? To identify errors or names or anything that are similar. Now, just like I said, the first one here is TB symptom checklist adult form. But the second two, the name here is TB symptom checklist adult form. So it means the same thing, just that TB came here first and then here TB came here last. So if you are doing an analysis, the computer is going to take this separately because this one TB came first and then and then the second one, the TB came last. So for us to can't find the sheet again. Yeah, sorry. So for this one, the TB came last. So for us to verify this, we need fuzzy matching. So there are so many data that you may come across with that you have errors like this. Maybe in the process of typing, instead of writing Albert that is ending with T, then somebody can just forget about the last letter and just it will end with R. And then I said it's going to add to what? To our data. It's going to add to what? To our analysis because the system recognizes it as a different name. But to take out that errors that we usually refers them to as hypos, you go for fuzzy matching. So you first of all create a table. Once you create a table, now the first table in column A actually are the list of tools. In this case, we're using tools now, tools name that we know, and then the one by the side, which is C, are some names that also appears in A that is picking them differently. Are we getting it? So what we are trying to do now is we want to match what? A and C. So that is going to give us what? Going to give us one what? One name. So if there is any name like this TB symptom checklist adult and the one in C, symptom checklist adult TB, is going to match it to be what? To be one. Because we are trying to what? To use fuzzy matching. Not exact matching, but approximate matching. If it is exact, it's not going to match it as one. But if it is approximate, it's going to match it as what? As one. So from here, we move to data. Under data, we move to right under it, you see show query, the second one from table. And I said some, their own is not from table. Some, their own is from table / range. So you click on it and then it takes you to this. This is called Power what? Query Editor. It's called a query what? A query editor, Power Query editor. So this is the column. Now this one is for our tool what? Tool 2. So for us to upload it from our Excel to this editor, you have to come to this. Under home, the first icon by your left, you see close and load. So there is a small black, is it triangle that is facing downward? Click on it. The first one say close and load. So usually, if it is the first table that you are importing or you're trying to bring to Power Query, you use close and load. So it's going to operate, it's going to rather open a new sheet for you. But if everything that you are planning to do, you want it to be on one worksheet, so you go to the second one and it's going to give you option. So for our first one, let's click on close and load. We click on it. So this is now our new sheet, which is sheet 4 and is our tool 2. So we go back and do the same for our tool 1 table. So go to what? Data, go to from table. Sorry, I didn't highlight. The, yes, you have to highlight it. Highlight this one. Then you go to data, from what? From table, click on it. So it brings it out. This tool 2 table. So you go to that close and load, click on this small arrow down. So we want this table to be in the same place with the tool 2 table. So you go down here, the second one, close and load to. So you click on it, and then this thing appears. So I said, if you check under select where the data should be, you see new worksheet and you see existing worksheet. So you click on existing worksheet, and then this is highlighting. And when you come beside this red arrow inside this box, click on it. So it's going to give you say select what? Range selection. So you locate the sheet where the first table is located, click on it, and then come by the side and click on this box and click on what? OK. Then click on what? Load here. So it's going to load it in the same page with this. So I don't know, Mr. Hassan, are you clear now? And everybody in the class, are we clear?
Very clear, sir.
So thank you very much.
Thank you,
So for
sir.
us now to, welcome sir, for us now to go and do the fuzzy matching, so you go back again to what? To data. When you go to data, sorry. Yeah. When you go to, sorry, you click on this and you see table 2 design appear, Power Query tools design appear. So we click on this query. So you see match, just I think second to the last icon. Match. Click on what? Click on match. So we are trying to what? To match tool 1 table and tool what? 2 table. So you select table what? Table, which one now is our table 2? Yes, this is our table 2. That's the tool 1 table. So you come here, the second one, you click on table 3, which is our tool 2 table. So you want to match them. You have to come and select the table here. Come here and also select this table here. So if you check under, you see the selection has what? Has 6 match out of what? Out of first 20 what? 26 rows. Did we all get this?
Yes, sir.
We all saw it, but we all see it rather, right?
So
So
6 match.
yes, out of. So it's trying to tell you that it has located what? 6. But I don't know.
Out of 26.
Yes, some systems have what we call fuzzy matching lookup. So if you have that installed on your system, sorry, this is not my system, so there are some restrictions under this system, so that's why I cannot do some other things, because it's a office system, so there are some restrictions. So if your system has that fuzzy matching VLOOKUP, you will see some options immediately after this. Only include matching rows. You see some will have perform fuzzy what matching, just like this small box. You see a small box, and beside it you see perform fuzzy matching, and under that some will have like tolerance. What we call tolerance. Now tolerance is what allows you to what to do approximate matching, not exact matching. So if you want exact matching, like if it is TB symptom checklist, you want only TB symptom checklist. So if it is not that name, any other name outside that name is going to also appear. But if your tolerance is not 1, is 2 rather, or maybe you go downwards 0 point something, now you are telling it that, okay, you don't want exact matching, you want approximate matching. So in a situation whereby you see TB symptom checklist adults, and in a situation whereby in one column and in the other column you see symptom TB checklist adult form TB, it all means the same thing. So had it been that function is there, once I click on it, this 6 is going to increase because I have increased what? The tolerance what? Number. So once I click on this OK now, you see what's going to appear. So our new column that we have created from tool 1 table and tool 2 is going to be here. Click on, you come here, where this new column is, you see this arrow here. This arrow where my cursor is, click on it, then this will appear. Then you come to what? You come to OK. Click on OK. And then you see. So this is the new what? The new column. This one. This is the new column that the Power Editor query has created for you. So you see, and in this situation, if you check, is what? Is exact what? Is exact matching. That means our tolerance is what? Is 1. Had it been we have that that fuzzy matching VLOOKUP, then once we increase the tolerance level, then we'll see so many other things. So I don't know if this is clear. It's just to explain. Somebody say I should explain. The fuzzy matching is not clear. So I hope this is clear, class. So we
Very
move
clear.
to, we move to our continuation of last class, which is pivot table. So back to our data for pivot table. Okay, let me. So I've changed my Excel. I believe we can see the new Excel sheet now. Is it displayed? You see
Yes, it's
students.
displayed.
Okay, yeah. Thank you
Student
very much.
ID, first,
Yes,
second, third, and total.
yes. So thank you very much, sir. So we want to create a what? A pivot table. And just like I said the last class, that pivot table is just a tool. It's a tool that lets you or allows you to summarize everything about the data. It helps you do analysis on the data. It also helps you to present data in a meaningful form, so that somebody that's seeing it can understand that, okay, this is what it means. So this is now our data. So this is the summation. So permit me to delete this. So we have the student ID, first, second, and third scores. So we want to create a pivot table. So, but the first thing we need to do is to change this data into what? Into a table. So from our knowledge of creating a table, we go to Control what? T. So it has already highlighted what? The range for you. Then you click on what? Okay. So our table is set. So once our table is set, we move to insert. From insert, and I said we have recommended tables based on what is there from our Excel, but we want to create our own. So, but you have the leverage to use the recommended table if you want to. But if you want to create your own, you go to what? To pivot table. The first icon here, you click on it. So you click on it, and then just like we just did now, if you want it to be on the same sheet where this our data is, you go to what? Existing worksheet, and then this place is going to be what? Highlighted. Then you come to this arrow, and then it will bring you to what? To where you select the range. But we want this to be on what? On a new worksheet, and that is why we have to leave it here, new worksheet. And then I said last week that if your data is an external source, you can come here and click on this, use an external source data. If it's coming maybe from your document or from any source that is inside your system, you just use an external source, or you want to connect outside, then you can just pull it. So we click on this, and once you click it, data source reference is not valid. Sorry. Okay, sorry, I use external source, so I have to go back to select a table range. So click on OK. So our pivot table is what is created. So this place now, where we are seeing this now, this where the pivot table is, it will appear. And this by your right hand side are what? If you check, they are the headers from our table in Excel. Are we getting it? So if you want to make any analysis, then you have to come and click these headers and then move it to the desired field. Now, if you check down, you have drag fields between areas below. So we have filters, we have column, we have rows, and then we have what? We have values. Now, I explained during the last class because I want to have enough time for that dashboard. So, but please, if you didn't get what filter is, I think the end of the last class, when you go and watch it again, you get the explanation I did on filter, whereby I use months and dates. So, but for us now, let's create this table. So the first thing we need to do is our student ID. We click it and drag it to what? To rows, because that's how our Excel is, our table is on Excel. But if you check, the first number here is what? Please, the first number, A row 4, A4. What's the first number?
10, 9, 30.
Good. Now let me take us back to where our source document is, our source table is rather. Now this is our source table. What's the first number for
That's
student ID?
two.
Is what?
That is 28937.
Yes. So what pivot table is, just like I said, is a tool for analysis. So pivot table has already arranged it for you serially. Yes, it started from what? From the lowest to what? To the highest. So it has arranged it for you serially. No need of you stressing yourself. So it has arranged it for you serially. That's one of the advantage of using pivot table. Everything is going to be arranged accordingly. Now, then if you want to do analysis, just like now this data I pulled out from the assignment that the master trainer Zainab used. So we want to calculate the first score, second score, and third score. That's the total sum. So you click first score and drag it to what? To value. It appears. You click the second one and drag it to value. It appears. You click the third one and drag it to value. It appears. And I said, because already this Excel, this table, this pivot table is being used. So it's going to be, if you check the header is it says sum of first. But in a situation whereby you clicked your own and you find out something different, then that means there is a different command that has been given. Now, if you want to convert it to normal, you click on any cell here and then right click on your computer. Then this is going to appear. Then you move to what? I say we have two ways of doing it. But let me take us the first one. Value field setting. When you come to value field setting, click on it. And then already you see that it's already on sum. And that is why you are having this data the way it is. But let's take it to count. Count. And click OK. So it has changed to what? To 1. So whenever you are creating a pivot table and you discover that what you dragged and then it's not giving you what you want, then that means you need to go back to the source and do some editing or correction or changes rather, so that you get what you want. So in this case, we are talking about sum, and that is why we left everything in sum. So the first method I showed us is to come to what? To fill what? Value field setting. Another one is, if you come here, you see what? Summarize value by, then there is an arrow. So you see it has appeared automatically. You have sum, you have count, average, max, minimum, then more option. Now, once you click on this more option, it will take you to what? To fill value field setting. Let me click it. So this is value field setting. That's taking you back to value field setting. So for us to go back to our normal value, click on sum and then what? And then click on OK. So I don't know, are we clear on this? Can I go on, move ahead?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. So another thing I want us to know is that after this summarize value by, then you go to this place, we have show value as, then you see list. If you want it to be in percentage of total ground, percentage of column, percentage of row. If you want it to be in percentage, then you have to come to show values by, then you pick from any of this option. And if you want different command apart from percentage, then you come to more options and click on it, and then you see what it appears. So now let's go to our what? To our sum. We want to sum this. We want to sum first, second, and third. And I told us that we have two ways of doing it. Now, if you check now, I clicked outside the pivot table, and we saw that by my right, the pivot table field setting has disappeared. So you just come and click, and then it will come back. So we have two ways of doing it. The first method is to what? Is for you to just come and select any of these column,
And drag.
either first, second, or third. Click on it, then drag
And drag.
on value, so that you have one word, one more column. Now, in pivot table, you cannot just come and add column anyhow. Unlike Excel, when you create a table, if you want to add column, go to the next column and start typing, and Excel will just move the table to the next one. But that's not the same on pivot table. You have to give command. So we want to change this now. We want to change this now because we want to sum 1, 2, and 3. So if you check, which one did I duplicate it? This is first, this is second, this is third. So this is, okay, I duplicated this. So we'll come to this place now. You come to click on a cell, then come to what? To, it's not analyze. Come to analyze rather. Sorry, I'm coming. Yeah, you click on cell here, then come to analyze. Then when you come to analyze, come to this fields, comma, items, comma, and sets. Can we see that? fields,
Yes, sir.
item, and cell.
And
Now,
set.
yes, if you check, there's a writing under. It says create and modify calculated what? Field item. So we want to modify this column to be what? To be sum, to carry sum. So calculated what? Calculated field. Click on it. So this appears. Now let me go back again. Click on any empty cell on that column, any cell rather. Come to what? Come to analyze. Then locate fields, items, and sets.
Items and
Click on it.
set.
Come to what? Field, calculated field. Click on it. And then this will appear. Now, we want to have a column that says sum total. So on this where field 1 is, you click and rename it to be what? Sum total.
Total. Okay.
Are you getting it?
Yes,
Then you
sir.
give what? The formula. You see formula where 0 is. You give the formula. So you see equal to already. Are you getting it?
Yes,
Equal
sir.
to already. Yes. So equal to, then you say sum. If you remember our sum function, sum, open bracket. So what do you want to calculate? You want to sum what? 1, 2, and 3. So you come and what? Click on what? First. Now, when you click on first, you want the first to appear where this word, where this formula is, inside this open bracket. So once you click on it, you come down here and click on insert what? Field. So you are telling the system that you want this field, which is first, to what? To be inserted where this first is. Once you click on insert, you see it has moved. Then the next thing you do is you place what? Plus sign. Then you click on second. Click on what? Insert second. Then click on what? Sorry, plus sign. Then you click on what? Third. And then insert. Then what? Then you close
Okay.
your what? Your bracket. Are you getting it? So
Yes,
is
sir.
you click on OK. You see it has created what? Sum of total.
Some of
Did we get it? That's how you
yes,
calculate sum.
some total.
Yes. So it has, if you check 51 point what? 51.5. So do it
5.
by the site. Add 27 plus what? 10 plus what? Plus 14.5. Then
Plus 27.
yes, so what's the, maybe somebody should do it by the side and confirm whether what we did is correct.
Okay.
Anybody can confirm it?
27 go
Yes.
plus 10
Plus
plus
14.5.
0.5
Yes.
equal to 51.5. Yeah,
So that
correct,
means
sir.
it has sum it for us. Are you getting
Yes,
it?
sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
if this is the sum, right? If you want to just convert this to average, we know what to do. You right click, come to what? Show value as what? As percentage, or you come to fields, what? And select what? Average.
Average.
Click on average, and then click on what? Okay. You see,
Okay.
it has changed it. Sum of average. So that's one method of doing this. Are we getting it? Now,
Yes, sir.
another method is, permit me to undo this. Yes? Is there a question? Okay, Mr. Gumbo, your mic is not
Gambo,
muted.
Malam Gabo, ka gaya ma madam ta shiga ziyarar mana.
So, okay.
Allah bai.
We're trying to look for our data. Our data has disappeared.
Okay. The some yes, average go.
Yes. Which,
I think
okay.
it was
So is it up?
Gambo's voice.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, it's up now.
It's up, huh? Good.
Yes, sir.
So
51.5.
now, this method I use, I actually went and added what? A column, right?
Yes, sir.
So now let's do it without adding a column. Let's do it without adding a column. So if
Okay.
you want to undo any column here, come to where this pivot fill is. Now this is our sum total. If you check, there is a sign of good. So if you want to uncheck it, then check what will happen to your table.
Okay.
Uncheck this. You see, it has disappeared.
Yes, sir.
So yes. So if you still want to uncheck, which one is double? This last one, third of what? Sum of third. You want to uncheck it. So you come and uncheck it here. But we made an error here. We remember in adding it, we added 2 of this. So we are supposed to come to where this value is. We'll see 4 of them. Then we'll uncheck one. But
Okay.
still the same thing. If you want to add it, we'll still click on it and drag it to where value is, and then our column is back.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So now to use the other method, just come and click on a cell here. Go to what? Analyze. Go to what? Fields, items and sets.
Items
Click
and
on it.
text.
Then calculated field. Click on it. So now you name your what? Name your column total sum. Total sum. Then you give the formula here. You do the formula sum, open
Bracket.
bracket, then first insert field, then plus, then second insert field, then plus, then third insert field, then you close it. So once you press, you can either press OK or add. It's going to add it up.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So you see, it has added it. So that's another way of adding a column in pivot table. Yes, without you doing anything. So I would like to ask, is there any question?
When this assignment was given, I had to do it manually.
Wow. Using Excel?
Way. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Wow. And
Wow.
this is the
But in
Excel,
still there is that you should have used the sum function now. It will give it to you.
Okay.
Yes, the sum function, it will give it to you.
Yeah, that was what I used in Excel.
Okay, yes. Okay.
I used the formula.
Yes, okay. So I think that's all about that. So I don't know if there's any question. Is there any question? We can, from here, you can also come back and give your design, your table some design, change the design. These are the designs. And then, yes, just like I said, the other class. Now, we did this one by doing some deep dives, but if you want it automatically, now let me scroll down to the bottom of this data. Let me scroll it down to the bottom of this data and then do something so that we'll see. Well, yes. So you can click on this, go to analyze, design rather. So you see, check, you see grand total. When you click on it, when you take this, when you click on this, off for rows and column, when you click on it, the total grand disappears. So this is another way to also do some calculation. If you want it to be automatic, come to grand total, click on it. You can say on for rows and column. Once you click on it, it's going to sum it for you. Yes. Automatically, yes. So these are some of the things. So some of these things, as we are going, there are so many things to learn here. If I were you, once I open this now with my data, I'll follow all of these things and know them. I'll click on this one and check what it does.
I'll be disturbing
Click on
you,
this.
sir.
Sir?
I say I will be disturbing you, sir.
No problem, sir. It's
Yes, sir.
you can do
Once
that actually.
practicing.
No problem. It's okay. You can reach out to me personally. No problem. I'll be glad to assist. So
Yes, I understand.
that's it. So on pivot table, do we have any question? Any question? Do we have pivot table? Any question? Now from this now, let me show us something briefly before we go to data visualization. Let me show us something very briefly. Now in Excel, I know that majority of us are aware or know how to use data in Excel and do a bar chart, par chart, and all these things. So you can also do it here on Power BI. Now, if you want to like make a chart for this, click on this and then go to Analyze. Then if you move by your right, then you see pivot what? Charts. You see insert a pivot what? Chart tied to what? To the data in this pivot table. So click on this. So you can come here and click on any data chart type you want. Now column. So no, this is not going to this bar chart. I'm just trying to check something that is more presentable. This one are for crypto people, traders people, this time of. So but just point it out that you can use
As a
the chart, the
representation.
pivot table, yes, and come here and create a chart. Yes, create a chart. Create a chart. So you can use this. So that's and we call it visualization, like data visualization. So if this we don't have any question on this, now I'll move to data visualization. So let me continue here. I know majority of us know how to do this using Excel. Let me go back to Excel. Yeah, this is Excel. This is Excel. So you can come here and insert, go to insert, then come to this place. You see, we have what? These are charts. This column chart, this pivot chart, this column chart, and all this. So you can come and select. So, but we need to first of all select our table, select our data, then come to insert, come to this, then select. Actually, the data is huge. I did been I knew. Yes, coming. Yeah, actually, we're having this because the data is bulky, and then, but let me reduce the size of this data. Just like I know majority of us have not forgotten. It's too early. Let's go and do what we call what resize. Resize. Can we remember that we said we can resize our what? We can resize our data, right? We want to
Yes, sir.
resize this data. So so if you want to perform this function, don't do like my own. No. Go and copy and listen. Go and perform that function. Resize. That one we did in the class. Go and resize the table and then do it. So let's use this data. Let's use this small data that I was able to pull out so that then go to insert. So just like pivot table, in Excel, it also has recommended what? Charts. So once you click on recommended charts on your system, then you have the options appears. Mine is not appearing. It's not responding.
It's still booting. Go.
Yes, it's still booting. Still booting. So, but I don't know. In this class, are there some that are using their system as we are doing this? Is there anyone that is
my
using the system?
we don't have light, so I'm using my phone.
Your phone. Okay, okay. So sorry about that.
Yes, sir.
So that's Hassan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Hassan. What about the rest?
It's like they've gone to the background.
Oh, that's serious.
It's
So
just you and me now.
that's serious.
Mm.
So they believe that the class, the recording is explanatory for them. No problem. So which table are you seeing, sir? Is it the one that we have been working on? Student ID?
Yes, both of them are here, sir.
Okay,
The one
the
you
one on the
extracted,
screen now. The one visible.
yes, sir. The one you extracted and the
Okay, okay,
mother
okay. Good.
data.
Good. So let's go ahead and use what we are trying to do now is data visualization. So
Yes, sir.
usually data visualization, what it usually does, it's like a graphical representation of information. So and then we are using from this, you know that all these things are graphical things. So data visualization actually converts or presents data in a graphical form. So, and just like I said, you can either use charts, you can either use graph, map, and dashboards too, and so many other forms, so many other things. So that's what data visualization usually refers to. So to do this, yes, we come to insert. So this is bar chart 2D. Let's click on this. So, and if you check this now, it's not somehow fully represented because you only saw green, red, and blue, and then they are not appearing. So if you want to know, you click on this. If you want to know what this indicator is, click on the area chart on the chart. Then you can come to what? Format. You can come to format. Or better still, click on it and then right click. So it's going to give you so many options. Now for this, it says format. Where's my cursor? This format area what? Area plot. Now the area, this white area where it is written chart
Chat
title,
title.
yeah, those area formats. If you want to make any changes, any formation, any formatting rather, then once you click on this, it will enable you to what? To do some changes. Now,
Okay.
if you want to change the if you want to change data, select data. You can come to select data and change data. If you want to save template, you click on this, it's going to lead you and you save the template. Now for change chart type, if you want to change the chart type, you click on this and then it's going to do all this thing for you. Now let's go back again and create another type. Come to this and then we did, I think we did, was it bar chart we did? So let's
Yes, sir.
pick this one. This is combo. This is combo. This combo. Let's try pie chart, but I'm not sure this one will give us a good representation of this.
Because the
Yes,
data is still bulky. Cool?
yes. But
Okay.
still,
Okay.
we're able to see it. But
Yeah.
yes, but this one is better than the first one. Now, this one is telling you
More
that,
visible.
yes, all of the IDs have their what? Have color. So if you are
Okay.
looking for an ID, what you just come and do is you go and what? And locate the what? You locate the color and then you find the ID. Now, design. When you come to design, there are so many changes you can do on design. Now, let me admit this on design. So, change, we have explained this one. Change chart type, select data, switch role. Now, this one is talking about switch roles and color.
Yes, sir.
Yes, good evening, ma.
I've been in the class. It's just that I've been on YouTube, so I couldn't respond. I had to come back to the Zoom class. I
No
did not
problem. It's
know
okay, man.
it was a Zoom class. That's why.
No
I
problem.
hope
You're
maybe
welcome, man.
Madam Julia is.
Even though I'm very tired, honestly.
Yes, we are. We don't worry. This is the last class for me with you on Excel. So but thank God for the YouTube and other available mediums that you can access.
That's why I
So
keep
as
trying to record it so that when I sit down,
yes,
I'm very busy in my office. You can hear my voice. And I'll
yes,
be
no
busy. I'm
problem.
on field. I'm on field.
So
I'm in a
sorry.
village right now. I'm on field.
Okay.
So my head is even blocked. I'm not understanding anything because I'm very tired.
Okay, man, no
Madam
problem.
Julia,
Just yes, you can rest. Then once you do the recording, then if you once you listen to the recording, sorry, if there's any issue that you're having understanding any path, reach out to me personally. I'll explain. Is
Okay,
that okay? Yes.
it's fine, sir.
Yes. Okay, no problem.
Thank you, sir.
So no problem, you're welcome. So just like I was saying,
Why did you deny my request to record it, sir?
is it me that I'm supposed to do that? It's supposed to be Mr. Soji.
You denied me. Why?
It's Mr. Soji that's supposed to grant you access, not me.
So
The
why
thing
is he
is,
denying me?
the thing
Mr.
is,
Koji, why are you denying me access?
but I don't know, but I think they are already recording it YouTube. So if you are
he's recording and
re-recording
send
it
it to the
again,
platform.
if you are recording it again, I don't know, it's going to consume something
A
he made
space.
explanation that day. It's
Yes,
going
yes,
to make some more data requests on the YouTube, something like that. I
yes.
don't know
Okay.
actually.
Okay,
Yes,
I
so
understand.
yes, man.
No
So
problem. Thank you, sir.
okay, man. So if you want to make some addition or some corrections here, you come to this design. So I've showed you how many ways now. This is the third one. The first
Yes,
one,
sir.
you right click and then this will appear, or you come to
Mm.
design and then do all this editing. Now I was at rows and column. So once you click on this, just like you see the arrow, one up, one down. So it's going to switch the role for you. The role is going to come back and become the column, and the column is going to come back and what? And become the what? The role. So that's what this function is. So
Mm.
that's all about visualization in Excel. Now,
Excel.
let me go to my final presentation. That's your take home like package. Now,
Thank you. Yeah,
using
my battery is running down.
so sorry. Okay, let me rush.
No, let me
Let me
get this one.
rush.
I want to get this one.
Let me rush. So just like I
Okay, sir.
said earlier,
Yes, sir.
oh my God, yes. My screen is up now. I've changed it.
Yes, sir.
So we want to design this. Are we getting it? We
Mm.
want to design it. Let me put it concurrently like this.
Is this one using
Yes.
Power BI or Excel?
No, this is Excel.
Okay, sir.
Yes. So you use Excel to do this. So let me create a new sheet and do this. My screen is split into two, right?
No, it's one, sir.
Which one are you seeing?
That is free download.
Okay, you can't see Excel.
No, sir.
I'm sharing both the
It's only the free download.
okay. I'm trying to share both the Excel and this thing at the same time so that I will minimize. Okay, what I will do is let me just go to Excel so that, but let's have this picture in our hearts, in our minds that
Okay.
we want to, yes, that we want to design this. I try to, it's just a late decision. If not, I will have downloaded it so that we just have it.
Sorry, sir. I tried to
Yes.
download Power BI today,
Yes.
and they were requesting for
Email.
work
Office email.
email.
Official email, yes. That's one
Okay.
of the restriction with Power BI. If you don't
Mm.
have if you don't have official mail, if you don't have official mail, it will not allow you to download it
Okay.
because it doesn't accept Gmail and it doesn't accept Yahoo. So you must have like your name and then like an organizational email. Even though
Okay.
yes, they said there is a way if you don't have I've not tried it actually. That if you don't
Okay.
have any of this official mail, there's a way you can launch it, but I've not tried it, so I cannot tell you that okay, this is how it works
Okay,
because
sir.
I've not tried it. Yes. So, but the thing is, you must have an official email.
So how do you
Yes.
open the official email, sir?
Let me put on
You said
the
How
advisor.
do you open the official email?
no. It's from your organization, the one that your organization will give you.
Okay.
Yes, you must have like they
So
must
I
see
cannot,
your
because
email.
I tried opening that official email, the thing didn't work.
Yes. Now let's assume like in my place now, if I want to go and access Power BI now because I have official mail, they know because you will see A Albert at my organization name .org. So
What's the name of your organization, sir?
is SFH.
Uh, so you work with SFH?
Something like that, sir.
Yeah, it's okay, sir.
Yes. Okay,
Uh,
you want to move me to a bigger place? I'll be very glad, sir.
I mean, I'm just managing with my one.
Oh, it's not managing on Nep1. The network of people. You guys are very strong. Oh.
So,
You guys are strong network. Oh.
I
But
am
I
the
don't
state
know,
secretary
Nep1,
from the state chapter.
don't you have official mail?
No, I'm not a project staff.
Okay. So
I'm the
Adibin,
state
you're having
secretary.
official mail, it will grant you access. So that's just it about this thing. So
My own
let me
position
start.
is elective possession.
Okay.
Mm,
So no problem. You also get there. I wish you all the
Amen.
best,
Oh,
sir.
thank you,
So
sir.
if you want to create what I just showed us now, the first thing you need to come is to insert. Now, insert, come to shapes, right? And pick. I think what we saw now is like a rectangle. So you pick this one, click on it, double click, it will appear. Good. Then try to expand it. You are trying to create a dashboard now.
Mm,
Yes, you are creating a dashboard now. Expand it. So I want to make it as large as possible so that we can see it. Yeah, try to expand this. So, but if you check the way our edges are, if you want to make the edges to be not to be too curved, you come and click on this yellow and be dragging it backward. You see it's changing, it's
mm,
changing. And then once you are satisfied with the edge, you leave it like this. And then you come
okay.
and come and click on this. Now, this is like our background page. So most of the times, I prefer to leave my background white. Yes, I prefer to leave my background white. So click on here on where the background is and then come to home. This column, fill column, where you can see like a cup and click on white. You see it has changed to white.
Yes, sir.
Did we get this?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
so the next thing to do now is you have blue on top. So you come to insert, shapes, click on this and click on it. There is a column. There is, sorry, blue. I think it has passed this a little. Is it? Oh, let me just leave it like this. Blue. Yeah, from beginning to the end. Blue, and you make it align. Make it align. This is just, I'm trying to be snappy because of your battery. So if you want the curve to align with the first one, you click on this and then be taking it back. Once it aligns, it suits you, then you leave it like this.
Okay, sir.
Yes, you leave it like this. If you think you are not still okay, still come back. Just giving us like this thing. So little by little. Then the next thing we have is what? We have by the side, you come to insert, shape. And in this case, something like, is it a rectangle? Click on this. Then, yes, for this one, the color, I think is light blue. If we still have the picture of what I showed us earlier on, light blue, then I think, is it light blue, something like this, but permit me to use this one. Then we
It's okay,
come
sir.
here, this one, you expand this and bring it here. Now this one starts from top to bottom. Start from top to bottom. So we can later on, we'll come and make corrections here, top to bottom. So it depends on this. Usually, this place I usually use for KPIs. KPIs. So you bring it into bit like this, and then you want it to be so some of these things actually it requires you to be patient. So
You
now,
can even use
because
your up arrow, up or down,
sir,
right or left.
sir,
Your arrow.
yes.
Mm.
So some of this thing needs to be patient. So if you check what we just saw now, this one is black. So you come to home, and then this is black. So you have started creating the dashboard. This is black, and then you have some things like KPIs here. So you click on this, and then it appears here. So if you want it bigger, you can increase it like this. And then so you can actually duplicate this. Sorry. You can actually duplicate this now.
Using Control D.
No, I copied actually.
Okay.
I copied. Control, yes. I copied. So that means this is telling us that we want 3 of it. 3. So if it's 3, we delete this one. So that we just copy this, and then copy this, and then by the sides, we'll paste it, and then we paste it here, and then yes. So if you want the size to be the same, there are so many techniques that I'm just rushing just for us to just have the idea of what we're doing. Sorry. Then you come home. You can change the color. The color is white. Color is white. Here is white. Click on this. Click on it. Take it to white. Click on it. Take it to white. So actually, there are so many other things I would like to show us, but because of time, there is a way now. There is how you make this to be on a straight line, and then it will align. But all these things, it's maybe when you come for the actual class, then we'll do it. This is just like an appetizer. So after this now, yes, after this now, so the next thing we have, I think, is we have a slicer, something like this. You insert like a shape here. You have a slicer here in the middle, in between, something straight like this. Something straight like this. Yeah, something straight like this. And then it's also coming white. Also coming white. Also coming white. But I think I prefer we leave it the same color. If not, it's not going to be same. Let's leave it now. Let's leave it something like this. Oh, yeah, something like this. Then we also have a shape here that looks like our, okay, this one, we need to draw it downward. Then this our edge. So that means we need to work on this edge. So when you come for the final class, some of these things we'll do it. Then we have something like this. You can still duplicate this one now. And turn it. Then lastly, you can have something like this. Oh, I've been creating them here. So we bring it down here and try to align them. So we also have some rulers, and so let me just stop here. Yes, so something like this actually. This a dashboard. So you can transform, yeah, this table. Are we together, Mr. Silva?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah. So this table, student ID, first column, second column, you can transform this information and fix it here into this Power BI, into this dashboard, so that it will be indicating what is on or inside the table rather. So, but this just
Hello, sir.
yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Hello, sir.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now, sir.
Yeah, Mr. Silva, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, sir. I can hear you, sir.
Okay, you can hear me now, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So what I was trying to say is this is just an appetizer, but you can make something very beautiful because of our time and because it's something I just felt that we should have. So the information here on this our table, you can import what is here and connect the data that is here to this dashboard. Yes, you can connect it to this dashboard. And then instead of you going back to the table and making some explanation, then people will, like, you pass more information and then people will get your explanation clearly. So this is just because of our time, and then I'm rushing, and then
Yes, sir.
some of us are battered, so that at least, so that it will not be that I didn't fulfill my promise of trying to show you this. So I don't know, do you have any question on this, Mr. Silva?
No, sir. I think I am at home with this, sir. Now, for like this dashboard, now how do I move data down here, sir? Are you with me, sir? So, network, you know? Oh, he's gone.
Can you hear me? Hello? Hello, can I be heard?
Yeah, I can hear you, sir. I can hear you, sir. Can you hear me, sir? Can you hear me, sir?